Its review rating is 9.6, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of the basic questions about this hotel.
Category 4. Next, these are the version reviews of this hotel, so you can see on the screen. Yes, please try to present photo ID at check-in.
The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival.
The location of the hotel is superb and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various finance and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description.
Follow the description link.
If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already stayed in this hotel, please share your experience in the comment